Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we'll show you how to navigate around your account using your account summary page. Your account summary page gives you a high-level overview of all of your accounts and serves as a perfect jumping-off point for exploring the platform. To get started, go to questrade.com and log in. Stocks displayed are for illustrative purposes only. Once you've logged in, the summary page will be your default starting point. At the top, you'll see the navigation bar, which will allow you to access the site's other important pages. These include Move Money, Documents, Reports, Management, Apps, Products, and Tools. Each of these pages offers a variety of different important functions that you may need to use down the line. Below the navigation bar, you'll see the Stock Lookup tool, which you can use to search up any stock or ETF you're interested in trading. Next, and most prominently on the page, you'll see a price chart. This shows you the combined total equity of all of your accounts. If need be, you can choose to narrow the graph to show your equity over a more recent time span using the buttons below. Rather than just seeing the sum total of all your accounts, you can also click to display your equity as it relates to a single specific account by choosing them from the row above. At the end of the list, you'll also see the New Account button. You can click this to start the process of creating a new additional account. Scrolling down, you'll see a table providing you with more detailed information about your account. Starting on the left, you have your P&L, or profit and loss. This represents the amount of money your investments have gained or lost, including your profit and loss for the current day, for all your positions currently open, and for all your combined investments since your account's inception. Next, you have your net deposits, which is the balance of your deposits remaining after withdrawals and any applicable fees have been deducted. Then to the right, you have your cash, which is the sum total of money you have in your accounts. Above this, your market value, showing you how much your stocks, ETFs, and other investment products are worth on the market combined. Finally, your total equity, which combines the cash and market value of all your investment accounts. For an even more detailed breakdown, click See All Balances. You can also choose to view this information based on currency by toggling between CAD and USD. Showing you the info related specifically to your Canadian investments and your American investments, respectively. You'll also be given the option to add cash to your account by clicking the Add Funds button and selecting a deposit method. Moving on to the bottom of the page, you'll be presented with another toolbar. This toolbar includes the Positions tab, listing all of your currently open positions and their current performance. The Orders tab, which lists all of your investment purchases, starting with the most recent. Watch lists, where you can create and view lists of stocks or ETFs you're interested in monitoring. Trending, which shows you popular symbols on the market, organized by those with the highest gains, the most activity, the highest rated, and the most frequently rated. And lastly, the News tab, providing you with links to recent world news stories which relate to and potentially affect symbols you own, as well as stories which may affect the market more broadly. With all of that, you're ready to begin navigating your account. We hope you found this video helpful. For more informative videos on how to navigate your Questrade account, please check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.